Did you know that by supplementing with this oil, you can have an incredible improvement in your fat release and overall health? Stay tuned to learn more about this oil, its effects, how to take it, and much more. A natural remedy that has captured the interest of health enthusiasts and medical professionals alike. Let's explore why this oil could be a game changer for your health. What is health? Before we delve into the wonders of evening primrose oil, let's talk about what health really means. Health is more than just the absence of disease. It's a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being. According to the World Health Organization, health encompasses the overall balance and functionality of our bodies and minds. It involves maintaining a nutritious food plan, engaging in regular physical activity, managing stress, and fostering positive relationships. True health is holistic, considering all aspects of our lives and how they interact. What is evening primrose oil? Evening primrose oil is a natural supplement derived from the seeds of the evening primrose plant, a flowering plant native to North America. This oil is rich in gamma-linolenic acid, also known as GLA, an omega-6 fatty acid essential for various bodily functions. Unlike most oils, evening primrose oil is unique due to its high concentration of GLA, making it highly sought after for its potential health benefits. Remember that it's very important to keep an omega-3 and omega-6 balance for optimal health. Evening primrose oil has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to address a variety of ailments, from skin conditions to hormonal imbalances. Today, it is available in various forms, including capsules and liquid, making it easy to incorporate into your daily routine. As a natural source of essential fatty acids, evening primrose oil offers numerous health benefits that can enhance your overall well-being. Where does it come from? Evening primrose oil is extracted from the seeds of the evening primrose plant, scientifically known as Unothera biennis. This plant thrives in North America and blooms in the evening, hence its name. The seeds are cold-pressed to extract the oil, preserving its nutrient content and ensuring its effectiveness. The cold pressing process maintains the oil's purity and potency, making it a valuable addition. What are its incredible effects? Evening primrose oil is celebrated for its remarkable health benefits, which can enhance various aspects of your well-being. It has anti-inflammatory effects. Evening primrose oil possesses powerful anti-inflammatory properties, thanks to its high GLA content. GLA is converted into prostaglandins in the body, which help reduce inflammation. This makes evening primrose oil beneficial for conditions like arthritis, eczema, and other inflammatory disorders. By reducing inflammation, it can alleviate pain and discomfort, improving your quality of life. It provides antioxidant effects. The oil is rich in antioxidants, which help neutralize free radicals in the body. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells, leading to chronic diseases and aging. By combating oxidative stress, evening primrose oil supports cellular health and longevity. It is vitamin E concentrated. Evening primrose oil contains vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects cells from oxidative damage. Vitamin E also supports skin health by promoting hydration and elasticity, making it a valuable component of this oil. It aids skin, hair, and nails health. The oil's moisturizing and nourishing properties make it excellent for skin, hair, and nails. Evening primrose oil can help soothe dry, irritated skin and improve conditions like acne and eczema. It promotes hair growth and strength while enhancing nail health and preventing brittleness. You can use it for better cardiovascular health. It supports cardiovascular health by improving blood flow and reducing inflammation. Also helps maintain healthy blood pressure levels and prevents the formation of blood clots, reducing the risk of heart disease. It has cholesterol-lowering effects. Studies suggest that evening primrose oil can help lower LDL, the bad cholesterol levels, while increasing HDL, the good cholesterol. This balance is crucial for maintaining cardiovascular health and reducing the risk of heart disease. It acts as an arthritis pain reliever. For individuals suffering from arthritis, evening primrose oil can be a natural remedy to alleviate pain and stiffness. Its anti-inflammatory effects help reduce joint inflammation and improve mobility, making it easier to manage arthritis symptoms. Also aids PMS and menopause symptoms. Evening primrose oil is known for its ability to alleviate symptoms of PMS and menopause. The GLA in the oil helps balance hormones, reducing mood swings, breast tenderness, and hot flashes. It can improve overall hormonal health and well-being. High omega fatty acids content. Evening primrose oil is a rich source of omega-6 fatty acids, which are essential for maintaining healthy cell membranes and supporting brain function. These fatty acids play a crucial role in overall health and well-being. Remember to consume high-quality omega-3s with your evening primrose oil. How to use evening primrose oil. Evening primrose oil is available in various forms, including oral capsules and liquid. The oil should be cold-pressed and pure to ensure maximum benefits. When choosing evening primrose oil, opt for products that are unrefined and free from additives or preservatives. This ensures you receive the full spectrum of nutrients the oil offers. Oral capsules are convenient and easy to incorporate into your daily routine. They provide a measured dose, ensuring consistency and effectiveness. Liquid evening primrose oil can be used topically or added to food and beverages for a nutritional boost. How much to take? The recommended dosage of evening primrose oil is typically between 500 to 1,000 milligrams per day, divided into 2 doses. It's best to start with a lower dose and gradually increase it, allowing your body to adjust. Always follow the guidance of a healthcare professional, especially if you have existing health conditions or are taking other medications. How to select the best oil. When selecting evening primrose oil, prioritize products that are cold-pressed and pure. Cold pressing preserves the oil's nutrient content and ensures its effectiveness. Look for reputable brands that prioritize quality and transparency in their production processes. How to store it. To maintain the oil's freshness and potency, store it in a cool, dark place away from direct sunlight and heat. Proper storage helps prevent oxidation and extends the oil's shelf life, ensuring you receive its full benefits. Does it have side effects? While evening primrose oil is generally considered safe, it may cause mild side effects in some individuals. These can include digestive upset, headaches, and allergic reactions. If you experience any adverse effects, discontinue use and consult your healthcare professional. It's essential to consult with a healthcare provider before starting evening primrose oil, especially if you are pregnant, nursing, or have underlying health conditions. Does it have drug interactions? Evening primrose oil may interact with certain medications, affecting their efficacy or increasing the risk of side effects. It can enhance the effects of anticoagulants, increasing the risk of bleeding. If you are taking blood thinners or have a bleeding disorder, consult a healthcare professional before using evening primrose oil. The oil may also interact with blood pressure medications, potentially causing a drop in blood pressure. If you are on antihypertensive medications, monitor your blood pressure regularly and consult your healthcare provider. Additionally, evening primrose oil can affect the metabolism of certain medications, including non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs and seizure medications. Always inform your doctor about any supplements you are taking to ensure a safe and effective treatment. In conclusion, and to summarize today's video, evening primrose oil emerges as a natural powerhouse, offering a wide array of health benefits that align with a holistic view of wellness. Health, as defined by the World Health Organization, is a complete state of physical, mental, and social well-being, beyond merely the absence of disease. Evening primrose oil, with its rich content of gamma-linolenic acid, fits seamlessly into this paradigm by supporting various bodily functions and enhancing overall well-being. Derived from the seeds of the Oenothera biennis, a plant native to North America, evening primrose oil is extracted through cold pressing, ensuring its purity and preserving its nutrient content. This natural supplement boasts significant anti-inflammatory properties, making it beneficial for conditions such as arthritis and eczema by reducing inflammation and alleviating associated pain. Furthermore, its antioxidant effects combat oxidative stress, protecting cells from damage and supporting longevity. The oil's high levels of vitamin E promote skin hydration and elasticity, improving skin, hair, and nail health. Cardiovascular benefits are evident as it aids in maintaining healthy blood pressure and cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. For women experiencing PMS and menopause symptoms, evening primrose oil can help balance hormones, providing relief from mood swings and hot flashes. Available in both capsules and liquid form, evening primrose oil is convenient and versatile, making it easy to integrate into daily routines. The recommended dosage ranges from 500 to 1,000 milligrams per day, with careful selection of cold-pressed, pure products advised for optimal benefits. While generally safe, users should be mindful of potential side effects and interactions with medications, particularly anticoagulants and antihypertensive drugs. By following proper health advice and medical recommendations, you can safely harness the remarkable benefits of evening primrose oil, fostering a balanced approach to health and wellness. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated. It helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.